The 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle is one of the most iconic muscle cars of its era, and discovering one in a barn is like uncovering a piece of automotive history. The Chevelle was already a favorite among car enthusiasts in the 1970s, offering a perfect blend of power, style, and performance. A barn find version of this classic means years of untouched potential, hidden stories, and the opportunity for a remarkable restoration. The 1972 Chevelle came with several engine options, ranging from the base inline 6 to the powerful big block V8 South. The most desirable versions featured the 350 and 402 cubic inch V8s, but the holy grail was the 450 SS, producing up to 450 horsepower in earlier models. Even after years of being stored away, a barn find Chevelle often retains its original drivetrain, offering an exciting project for classic car enthusiasts. With the right restoration, these engines can roar back to life, delivering the raw power and aggressive performance that made the Chevelle a muscle car legend. The exterior design of the 1972 Chevelle featured a bold front grille, dual headlights, and a muscular stance that still turns heads today. A barn find version may have faded paint, rust, or worn-out trim, but these imperfections add to the charm and history of the vehicle. Restoring or preserving the patina can make each Chevelle unique, reflecting the decades it's spent waiting to be rediscovered. Inside, the Chevelle's cabin was built for comfort and style, with bucket seats, a center console, and classic gauges that gave it a true muscle car feel. Depending on the trim level, some Chevelles came with wood grain accents, AM, FM radios, and even air conditioning. A barn find interior may need a complete refurbishment, from upholstery to dashboard components, but original pieces can often be salvaged to maintain authenticity. Finding a 1972 Chevelle in a barn is like stepping back in time to an era when American muscle cars ruled the roads. Whether fully restored to factory specifications or customized with modern upgrades, this classic still holds its place among the greatest muscle cars ever built. With its timeless design, powerful V8 options, and nostalgic appeal, the 1972 Chevelle continues to be a dream car for collectors and restorers alike. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth vehicle reviews and automotive content.